Hey everyone, this is Katrina, the owner of Kathleen Creations, Wreaths and Things, coming at you real for a short video today, at least for right now. I'm gonna come back on with you guys in maybe about a half an hour to do a wreath. But right now, I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. So if you're just checking in, I'm Katrina, the owner of Kathleen Creations, Wreaths and Things, and we are going to do an unboxing today. Now we did an unboxing a couple of days ago that was with stuff, materials that I purchased from the Wreath shop. Today, this is coming from Rhonda's Creative Corner. So I just picked up a few things because I had some pending wreaths that I needed to finish, and Rhonda's Creative Corner had what I needed, so I ordered for them. So let's get to opening up this box. But as I'm doing that, say hey. Say hey, Katrina, what's up? Let me know you checking, you watching me. Let me know where you watching me from. Let me know if you do any wreaths or any hobbies you have. What's your creative style? What do you do? They tipped up this box real good. Oh my goodness. Let me know. Chime in. Let me know you watch me. Then I gotta pull you guys up on Facebook. Gotta do that so I can see your comments. Hold on. Let me see if I can pull y'all up on Facebook. Give me a second. Give me a second. I hope everybody's hump day was good. Put in the comments how your hump day went. Are you looking forward to Friday? I know I am. It's a shame, but I'm looking forward to Friday. I am. I'm looking forward to Friday. I certainly am. But my Wednesday wasn't bad, so I mean, I can't really complain. You know, of course, you know, Friday would have always been better. But since I have you up on Facebook now, please comment. Let me know. Say hello. Let me know where you're checking it from. I'm trying to get my voice back to where it needs to be. It's getting there slowly but surely. So like I said, this is an unboxing we're doing today. And this is from Rhonda's Creative Corner. And I only purchased a few things, so we're not going to be on here long. Because you see the box is small. It's not a huge box. So, remember when I gave you a tip, the last time we were on, I gave you a tip that when you get your supplies, make sure you put the price on your supplies. If you if you price your wreaths on how much material you put in, you're going to need the price to be able to calculate exactly how many inches you put into your wreath. So you're going to need the price. So make sure you put the price on your material when you get it out. That way, as you do your wreaths, you can just look on the mesh or the ribbon or whatever. You can see the price and you can put that down so you can calculate your price. So you always want to make sure you put the price on. So let's get to opening this up. Okay, we got some ribbon. We got some ribbon here at the top. This is the red cardinal bird. I needed this ribbon here. I was waiting for this ribbon, as a matter of fact, for about a couple of days now. Because I have a customer order. One of my co-workers, she says her mother-in-law, if I'm not mistaken, wanted a wreath that had red cardinals on it and some pine cones and stuff. So I saw this ribbon. I'm gonna put it up close to you again so you can see it. I saw this ribbon and it actually has like glitter on it, berries, and it's sort of a winter ribbon. But I'm going to use it now where she can put it up anytime she wants to. This bird to her signifies her grandson. She thinks her grandson comes to see her in this red robin form. So I think it's beautiful. So I saw other ribbon, but this ribbon is just so pretty because it has the silver. I don't know if you can still see that with my camera and my lighting. But it's a silver trim, so it looks really pretty. So I finally got this ribbon, so I'm going to be able to do this wreath with her. So that's what this one is about. But it's a gorgeous ribbon. I bought, of course, you know from my last unboxing, I always buy two. I never buy one of anything. I buy two. So, of course, you know, got to get the carrots, right? Now, I know I have regular Easter ribbon, but I didn't have any burlap like with the black and white check and the black and white polka dots and stripes. So I don't even think I have that wreath now. I moved it, my last Easter wreath that I did. This would have went perfect with it, but I have other Easter wreaths I have to make, and I know this will go perfect with it. It's like the burlap material ribbon with all the different kind of designs on the carrots. Hope you guys can see that. You know, my lighting ain't the greatest. It's too bright. I don't have no way to dim it down right now. So I got 2 of these, of course. And of course, you know, spring is here. You can use this for Easter and you can use it for spring. It's yellow and it's lavender and it's that green, that lime green. So I got 2 of these because you can put this with so many different either Easter or spring wreaths. So this definitely will get used. I saw this and I didn't have this color combination. And I wanted to try this color combination. So I went ahead and I ordered it so I can have this color combination, which is the green, the lavender, and the yellow. Once again, this is all stuff from Rhonda's Creative Corner. This right here, this is also, you know, spring. This is also definitely Easter. You know, if you have a spring design that has some orange and green in it, of course you can use it for them. But definitely, and it's kind of like a tweed type, kind of like a burlap, but the light burlap type of ribbon. I don't know if you can see that really well, but I think, yeah, right there. You can see how it looks like a tweed, like a burlap. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. So I got this because I know I can use this in my Easter and my spring wreaths. And you know you can also come back to this for fall. So don't not think, you know, don't think that, you know, you're just going to use it for these seasons right here. Hello. That orange and that green can go for fall. Remember, pumpkins. So don't put this up when you put up your spring ribbons. Leave this out for the fall, okay? Because you can use this ribbon again for fall. Now we're done with ribbons. I was running low on my 10-inch wire wreath frames, so I ordered I don't know, 6 of these. So that's what I'm doing right now. Is I had to stock up. So I only ordered 6 for right now, and when I get down to 2, I'll probably order another 6 or 10. I order it like that because right now my room, where I have to store them at, I don't have a lot of space. So I just limit myself to like having 10 at a time. And when I get down, like I said, I get down to 2, I order more. So this is all I have from Rhonda's Creative Corner. I told you guys I wasn't going to be on here long, but I will be coming back in maybe about a half an hour. I got to set up to do a wreath with you guys. I haven't decided which one I'm going to do. I have a really pretty, this sign right here, Mother's Day sign right here that I have, as you can see right off camera. I have all the tulips and the greenery right here to do. So I may just go ahead and come on real quick with you in about a half an hour and do this Mother's Day sign grapevine wreath with you guys. So if you want to see me make that, then come on back and chime in about a half an hour, and I should be on making this wreath with you guys. All right, guys. That's all I'm doing for right now. I just want to touch base with you guys and let you see the unboxing. You know, every time I get some goodies, you know, I'm going to show you guys. So, hopefully you can join me in about a half an hour to do that Mother's Day wreath or another wreath. I don't know, I may change my mind. But if you're watching and you want to see that Mother's Day wreath, definitely comment. With that being said, please comment on my Facebook. Let me know, like I said, where you watching me from. I like to know how far my reach is going. So let me know where you're watching me from. If you're watching a replay, let me know it's a replay. This will be on YouTube, so please subscribe to my YouTube. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Pinterest. So please go to my social media and help my business grow. And how you do that is by going to my social media pages and you like, you share, you follow. Definitely follow. Subscribe when you go to YouTube, and that only helps my business grow. So until we see each other in about a half an hour, you guys be safe, okay? Bye.